First wrestle after a long break.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still here.
What? What's the problem?
Is there anybody else in the universe but us two? Oh, when the vet said to me, oh, well, he'll be able to associate with the dogs who've already got it, and I just went, really? I was just like, oh my God, that is a godsend.
Thank you. So now we're going to become the Kennel Cough Club.
Where are you? There you are.
Happy birthday, Cooper.
Yes, happy birthday, Coops.
I think you're out for the count there, Cooper.
Oh, he didn't half pick up the leafy bits, did he? I bet he's great for dusting the house, isn't he?
Oh, he's brilliant. You can always tell when he's been somewhere he shouldn't. You're like, what have you been doing? He's like, I can't be doing anything.